Happy 4th of July, everybody. I'm going to make a dump cake in this Dutch oven. I'm going to take you along with me. What we're going to need is parchment paper. This is unbleached. Box of yellow cake mix. 2 cans of pie filling of your choice. This is cherry. Stick of butter. Some granola. And some charcoal that I have started. The parchment paper is going to go down in here to just try to keep as much mess out of my Dutch oven as possible. Just makes easier cleanup. What I'm doing here. So I got my parchment paper in here. We're going to open our pie filling. Dump it all out in here. Take the lid here and just kind of smooth everything around. Take our yellow cake mix. And just try to evenly distribute it over the whole top of the cake. Take our butter and start slicing. Slices about that thick, a little more than 1/8 inch, not quite a quarter. Start putting it all over the top of this cake. You don't have to mix anything, you just dump it all in here. Put all my paper back in. Put the lid on it and move this over to the trivet. I'm going to try and break some of these coals back to where they're on the outside edge. We have some coals on top. Every 5 minutes I'm going to come in and I'm going to rotate the lid either counterclockwise or clockwise. I'm going to rotate the oven the opposite direction. That way we get good even heat the entire time we're cooking. So about every 5 minutes I'll check back in, and then for about 15 minutes in is when I'll take the lid off and check it and see how it's looking. So the second time I've done this, I'm going to rotate counterclockwise, quarter turn. On the lid, and clockwise, about a quarter turn on the rest of it. Check it in 15 minutes. Still got some more to go. So, rotate that about a quarter turn. Same thing on the bottom.
Why did you change it?
I think we're about done now. I'll put some granola on there. Just a little bit ago. We're done. And pull it off the heat. It's gonna be good.